Good morning from Norway. When I woke up this morning, I checked my Facebook and Instagram, and pretty much all of the comments are the same. And it's because it's a term in Indonesia that's gone viral the last couple of days, and it's Om Telolet Om. Apart from these comments, I've probably gotten 100 messages of people asking me to make a song about this. So on my way to work, I came up with this short, very short song. I was posting a video on Facebook, waiting for people's comments. Telolet, 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 it's the only comments I get. And then I went to Instagram, waiting for people's response. Telolet, 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 it's the only comments I get. And I'm sure when I upload this to YouTube, people's response will be the same. Telolet, 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 it's the only comment I'll get.